What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best floor car jack on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Powerbuilt 3-ton. The Powerbuilt 3-ton bottle jack and jack stand is designed to support heavy vehicles like pickup trucks, vans, sport utility vehicles, and off-road units. This black-colored lifting tool combines two functions in a single structure, reducing the need for separate equipment. It can handle up to 6,000 pounds and is built with a strong foundation to remain stable during use, especially on soft or uneven ground. The product measures 9.88 inches in length, 9.75 inches in width, and 11.5 inches in height. With a lifting range that begins at 11 inches and reaches up to 21 inches, it provides enough clearance for many vehicle types. This tool is helpful for those who need a stable solution for both raising and holding a vehicle safely during maintenance tasks. The built-in safety system includes a ratcheting bar that locks the unit at the chosen height. This safety measure ensures that the position remains fixed while work is being done under the vehicle. Whether you are lifting a standard frame or a unibody model, this item supports a wide range of structures. Its broad base adds reliability on different surfaces, helping reduce the chance of the jack sinking or shifting during use. This makes it practical for various outdoor and garage environments. It is especially useful for situations where both lifting and steady support are needed in one device. This item follows standards for strength and performance and is designed to last through repeated use. Its all-in-one function helps save space and effort, offering a solution for those who prefer a tool that combines lifting power with reliable support during vehicle servicing or repairs. In our list, the number 4 product name is DNA Motoring Tools Service/Floor Jack. The DNA Motoring low-profile hydraulic trolley service jack is made to support lifting tasks for vehicles in garage or workshop settings. It offers a lifting ability of 2 tons, which equals 4,000 pounds, making it suitable for light trucks, sedans, or compact sport utility vehicles. Its construction is based on a heavy-duty steel frame, giving it the strength needed for short-term elevation tasks during repair or inspection. This tool is built with a compact shape, measuring 10 inches in length, 19 inches in width, and 8 inches in height. The lifting height starts from 5.1 inches and extends up to 13 inches, allowing access under vehicles with lower ground clearance. This makes it useful for standard service needs and quick elevation in tight spaces. The design includes swivel casters that help the jack move easily across smooth surfaces. This flexibility assists in positioning the unit precisely under the vehicle before lifting. The saddle area offers support by helping maintain balance when pressure is applied. Its structure aims to prevent shifting during operation. A built-in safety release function helps protect against overload conditions. If the load exceeds its rated capacity, this valve releases pressure to prevent damage to the user or equipment. While it performs lifting well, it is not designed to hold weight over long periods and should not replace a proper support stand. The black-colored surface adds a professional look and helps resist visible wear from grease or dirt. The DNA motoring tool is created for lifting-only use and should not be applied where side or downward pressure is needed. It serves those who need a low-profile jack for vertical lifting, offering portability and reliability during short garage jobs or mechanical service tasks. In our list, the number 3 product name is Torin Service/Floor Jack. The Torin hydraulic low-profile trolley floor jack is built to handle vehicle lifting tasks with a weight capacity of 2.5 tons, equal to 5,000 pounds. This black-colored service jack is suitable for a wide range of automobiles, including sedans, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Its compact size makes it useful in garage spaces where height clearance is limited. The structure is designed with solid steel to ensure stability and strength during short lifting operations. Its frame supports vertical pressure for general mechanical work and vehicle inspection. With a starting lift height of 3.33 inches and a maximum of 14.94 inches, it fits under lower vehicles and raises them to a workable level. This tool comes with 2 fixed steel wheels and 2 swivel casters, allowing easier movement across floors. The mobility helps position the jack correctly under the vehicle before applying pressure. The built-in handle on the body makes carrying and adjusting the jack more manageable during use or transport. A safety bypass system is integrated into the design to stop lifting if the weight goes beyond the supported range. This safety detail protects both the equipment and user from damage or risk during operation. The unit is intended for lifting tasks only and should not be used to hold a vehicle in place for an extended period. The dimensions measure approximately 5.8 inches in height and 10 inches in width, giving it a low profile for tight spaces. It is practical for anyone who needs a dependable lifting solution for general car maintenance. The Torin jack provides a steady base for raising vehicles temporarily, offering both function and portability for short-term use in service or personal garage work. In our list, the number 2 product name is AV Steel Floor Jack 2.5 ton. The AV Steel hydraulic floor jack supports vehicle lifting tasks with a capacity of 5,500 pounds, which is 2.5 tons. Designed with a wide lift range starting at 3.4 inches and extending to 14.6 inches, this tool allows access under a variety of vehicles, including sedans, pickup trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Its structure suits both home garages and construction-related environments. The compact dimensions of 23.38 inches in length, 9.21 inches in width, and 6.26 inches in height give it a shape that fits storage shelves or garage floors without taking much space. The low-profile design allows it to reach under vehicles with limited ground clearance, making it practical for maintenance or tire changes. This unit includes a pair of swivel wheels for smoother movement across different surfaces. The rounded saddle area helps distribute the load evenly while offering balance during the lift. Its single-piston hydraulic pump supports efficient elevation, taking less effort to bring the vehicle to the needed height. A built-in protection system helps manage overloads by limiting pressure buildup, which can help prevent damage or unwanted shifts. This makes it safer to operate while performing short-term lifting jobs. Though capable of lifting, it is not designed to hold vehicles for long durations without added support. The multicolor finish gives the jack a distinct appearance, while also helping conceal marks from oil or grease. The AV Steel tool suits daily garage use, helping both mechanics and home users handle elevation needs with simplicity and ease. It offers a balance of strength and movement that serves lifting tasks in a reliable and accessible way. In our list, the number 1 product name is Big Red Service/Floor Jack. The Big Red hydraulic floor jack supports vehicle lifting up to 3 tons, which equals 6,000 pounds. It reaches a maximum lifting height of 20.88 inches, making it suitable for taller vehicles. With a minimum lifting point at 5.875 inches, this jack gives access to various automobile types, including sport utility vehicles, trucks, and vans. Made from steel, this red trolley-style unit brings solid construction and can be moved around with the help of 2 steel casters combined with 2 that rotate in a full circle. This setup allows easier movement on different floor surfaces. Its shape also includes an extended saddle neck, which offers a height advantage when working on vehicles that sit higher from the ground. The tool uses a single piston lifting system, allowing fast elevation with less effort. A built-in mechanism prevents overloading, supporting safe usage during lifting sessions. The handle extends to a length of 24.5 inches, giving a stable grip during operation. Its frame measures in a way that allows both garage and field use. The floor jack remains stable during work, thanks to its design that balances strength with mobility. The industrial appearance, with its red finish, makes it easy to spot and identify in a tool area or work zone. The saddle area is designed to fit properly under different vehicle frames, especially those with increased clearance. Its structure favors both home users and professionals who need a dependable tool for lifting tasks. The big red jack provides support for a range of mechanical needs, combining strength, reach, and design to complete work safely and efficiently.